Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm talking about a use case for a VPN. You might be wondering about, should you use a VPN for streaming? Now, VPNs are good for a lot of things, where that means you want to protect your torrent IP, browse more anonymously, hide your traffic from your ISP, just have more privacy on the internet maybe. But one of the big use cases for VPNs nowadays, actually, that people like to use VPNs for, is to get more content online. By changing your IP address or connecting to a different server in a different country, you can unlock new content libraries on many of the popular streaming services. So guys, today we're going to be answering that question. Is it really worth it to do that? Does it even work? I'll be putting my recommended VPN for this in the description down below. Today we're actually going to be using NordVPN. Why do I recommend NordVPN specifically for this one? Well, despite the fact it's currently my #1 rated VPN on VPN tier list, objectively with the data-driven analysis we have on that website, NordVPN is also one of the best VPNs for streaming compatibility. Why is that? Well, it has tons and tons of servers, around 111 different countries supported, which means I think there's like 6,000 or 7,000 servers available, and a lot more countries means a lot more content libraries. A lot of other VPNs like TorGuard, for example, only give you 2 locations. A lot of other VPNs simply just don't have the amount of locations that you can unblock with something like NordVPN. So I'll be putting a link for that in the description down below. I'm not sponsored by them in this video, but if you use that affiliate link, it will help support the channel and you'll get a good discount. But if you don't want to use that link, you could just go to Nord's website on your own and you don't have to support my channel at all. It's up to you guys. So guys, how are we going to decide if this really works? Well, what we want to do is go to a website like Unblock. So I'm not affiliated with this website in any way, but it is pretty much the best website I've found to find different kind of content you might be available to watch in other countries you can't actually watch in your select country. So let's say you're in the United States. You want to watch Lord of the Rings, Return of the King. Well, that's only available in these available countries. Or let's say you want to watch The Good, Bad, and the Ugly. It's only available in Italy, or so on and so on. This is a good website to see what kind of new movies you can watch, and I'll show you how easy it is to do. Additionally, another good thing about Nord is that it does have an Apple TV application, so you can just connect to it on your Apple TV, start up Netflix, and get access to all sorts of different movies and content. Definitely pretty nice. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is just collect to an Italy server, and we'll show you how this works. So we want to be logged into Netflix already, and then we're going to try to see if we can find The Good, Bad, and the Ugly. So what we're going to do is push F5 to refresh the cache of this website. Depending on where you are in the world, connecting to servers a little further away, you might experience a little bit more latency, but it shouldn't really be a big issue. So Good, Bad, Ugly, Good, Bad, Ugly. Let's see if we can find that title. There you go. As you can see, it is working. Let's see how fast it loads. I'm not anywhere close to Italy, but we should still get optimized speeds enough to at least be able to watch this movie in probably 1080. So here we go. There you go. Look how nicely fast that uploaded. There you go. This actually looks like a pretty good movie. I haven't seen this one yet, but let me know down in the comments down below if you had. Maybe I should watch it soon. Definitely kind of a classic as I kind of understand it. But guys, in today's video, that really doesn't need to be much more to it. Nord does work really well in the circumstances. VPNs are very good at doing this. And if you've seen a VPN advertised for this reason and you're wondering if it really works, well, it does. Let's go ahead and try another example. How about Inception? So Inception requires that we connect to a Canadian server. So all you do is type Canada, click on that, and Nord's going to disconnect and automatically reconnect to that new server. So definitely pretty nice and very easy. Not every VPN makes it as easy to kind of switch servers like that. So we'll give it a couple seconds, just kind of refresh our internet. And then what we're going to do is we're going to refresh Netflix again and look for Inception. So if we kind of back out of here and then see it's a lot quicker since I'm a little closer to Canada, since I'm in Seattle, we'll type in Inception. And then there it is. So if I'm in the United States, I actually wouldn't be able to watch this. But now that I'm in Canada, technically, I can watch it. Let's see if it works. Very nice. So as you can see, it is working. So Nord does a very good job at this. Use my link in the description if you want below. Some other VPNs do this as well, but in my experience, not quite as good as Nord. Let me know down in the comments down below what movie you're watching, so I know you got it to the end of this video, and I'll see you again very soon.